yeah, when you go, oh, he's died. When you go away, you have to put them in the kennel, and then they are sad when leaving, and then that's it, really. You cannot take them when you're away for holidays, or you're going home, or like that. So we just decided, anyway, they are a big help during the pandemic. You agree? You agree? They are a big help during the pandemic. Yeah, I'm watching our own program. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Mm. Yeah, it's really true. So nice to have a dog. Actually, we have a cat, but unfortunately, God see everything. Yeah, correct. But unfortunately, the cat that we have for about just only 3 years, I think. It's only 3 years pa, no? Abby's three? Five. Oh, it's only about 5 years old. Ay, sorry. It's about our cat. It's only 5 year old when she got a, huh? When she died. Oh, we have a cat actually, but unfortunately, when she was around 7 years old, so she was here 7 years old, and then uh, she has no appetite, and took her to the vet, she has a FLV, feline leukemia virus. When I see cats in my neighbor a lot. Oh, I see cats in my neighbor a lot. Do you like cats as well? Yeah, the what do you call that? Um yeah, so she has a, like, I think the vet told us that the FLB can be because our cat is only in the house. She's a cat house. So we're just wondering why it happened to her. And then the vet said that when the cat is clean, when she's in the house all the time, and then what happened now is, when she has a chance to go out, and then she had a fight to another cat, that the other cat is sometimes, she has a virus or like that. So she's easily she that virus is easily transmit to the clean cat. So we did not realize that our own cat already has a virus. So it was like a very sudden and very very quick virus that she got. But unfortunately, she stayed only in the vet for about 2 days. She had antibiotic and all of that, but unfortunately, she died. The name is Abby. Oh, we missed Abby. She's very good. I know. And then, so that's what happened. That's what happened to our Abby cat. Our dog and our cat, they are very good friends. They are very good friends, really. That's what they said, like, they are always fighting each other, but no, our cat and dog, they are good friends. So that's what happened to the our animals here, our pet animals here. Oh, that's so unfortunate to have your dog was bit by the snake. Oh my goodness. Just like Kayla don't like that.